it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the 5 must-do CVS deals for next week. So these deals are going to start Sunday, December 29th and go through January 4th, 2020. Couple bonus deals in this video. We are going to be getting one insert on Sunday, so it's going to be the P&G insert. If you guys want to pick up a couple newspapers, it'll definitely be a good week. There are some good high-value coupons for Head & Shoulders, Pantene. There's going to be a Gillette coupon, Venus coupon, some good razor and deodorant coupons as well. Some good buy one, get one free coupons for Febreze. So I will post a video on Sunday morning as far as what coupons are available to print from coupons.com and what coupons I wound up getting in my insert. I will be buying probably 1 or 2 newspapers on Sunday. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and hit that notification tab so you won't miss out on any deals or any savings, especially for the new year. So the first thing I want to go over is Fetch Rewards. A lot of people use Fetch, including myself. It helps you save tons and tons of money. You get points for different receipts. You don't have to do anything. All you do is take a picture of your receipt, and different items that you purchase could be bonus items and you'll get more points. Once you get 3,000 points, that's the equivalent of $3. Then you can cash that in for a gift card. So a gift card anywhere. They have movie theaters, they have Nike, they have Walmart, CVS, you name it, you can get a gift card there. They even have Amazon. So it's definitely a great app. It's one of the easiest apps that I use as far as rewards. And the first deal that I'm going to go over with you is a great Fetch Rewards app deal because it's going to give 1,000 points back. So if you use this code J24VT, when you scan your first receipt, make sure you scan a receipt day of, because a lot of times you'll forget and then you won't go back and do it, and then you'll miss out on your points. So once you scan your first receipt, you'll get 2,750 points. Then when doing the deal that I'm going to showcase here next, you'll get an additional 1,000 points. So right there, you can cash it out and get a $3 gift card to wherever you want. It is a digital gift card, so just keep that in mind. It's not going to be a physical card. So the first deal is going to be on the McCafe K-Pods or K-Cups, whatever you call them. They're on sale $4.99. This deal does end Monday as far as the Fetch Reward bonus. It's going to be expiring on the 30th. So keep that in mind. The price for the K-Cups and the CRTs and everything will obviously go throughout the entire week, but if you're wanting that bonus 1,000 points back, which is equal to $1, you want to take advantage of this deal Sunday or Monday. So you're going to pick up 2 of them. They're on sale $4.99 each. You're going to use a 2 off 8 coffee CRT. You're going to use a $1 off 1 McCafe Coffee from the 1013 Smart Source. You're going to pay $6.98 out of pocket. Once you submit your receipt to Fetch, you'll get back 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1. So final cost is going to be $5.98 for 2, or just $3 each. Now, if you're new to Fetch and you sign up with that referral code, you'll be getting $3.75 back. So your final cost is going to be about $2.25 for 2, or what, $1.12 each. So super, super good deal on some coffee for you guys. So I wanted to share that with you first. The next deal is on Nivea Lotion. The large ones, these are the 16.9 ounce. They are on sale. Buy one, get a $3 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So you're going to buy one of the lotions. There's a couple different varieties. It'll be $7. You're going to use a $2 off coupon that we printed from coupons.com. It's no longer available, so hopefully you guys have 1 or 2 prints left available. If you have a 2 off 6 lotion CRT or anything like that, make sure you guys pair it. I do not, so I'm just going to do the example without any CRTs. You would pay $5, get $3 back, so your final cost is just $2, and this is the really large bottle, so it's definitely a good deal. If you have that 2 off 6 lotion CRT, you would pay $3, get back $3. Final cost is a nice freebie for you guys. So a couple different scenarios there just based on your CRTs. We are getting some instant coupons at the Red Box this week, so make sure you scan your extra care card or type in your phone number at the Red Box on Sunday. Of course, you can do it anytime throughout the week, but just make sure you guys at least scan it once throughout the week so you can get your instant coupons. I typically scan my card 3 or 4 times because every time you scan it, you'll get different coupons until it says Super Saver. Then you know you don't have any more coupons. So the next deal is going to be an oral care deal. So I did combine 2 deals based on an oral care CRT that I had. It was a 2 off 8 Crest Scope or mouthwash CRT. So these are 2 different deals here that you see. Oh, go back. How do I go back? There we go. Okay, 2 different deals that you see here. So the first one is on the Crest mouthwash. It is on the 1 liter, the really large bottle. It's buy one, get a $2 extra buck. It is a limit of 1, as you see there listed. The next deal is going to be the Oral-B toothbrush. It's the 2 or 4 pack, so the 3 pack does not count. It's buy one, get a $3 extra buck. So what you're going to do is pick up one of the mouthwashes for $4.99 and one of the Oral-B 2-pack of toothbrushes. My store, they're $5.19. Adjust your math accordingly. Some stores are $5.29, even $5.39. So just double check and then change your math accordingly. You're going to use a $1 off digital coupon for the Crest mouthwash. It will also be in the P&G insert if you don't get it digital. Then you're going to use a $1 off digital for the Oral-B toothbrush. It will be in the P&G insert again as well. If you have a 2 off 8 oral care CRT, make sure you pair that. You're going to pay $6.18 out of pocket, but get back a $5 extra buck, $2 for the mouthwash, and $3 for the toothbrush. So your final cost is $1.18 for both, or just 59 cents each. So definitely not a bad deal. If you guys need some oral care, make sure you guys stock up. The next deal is on the paper product. So it was spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So last week we got a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Cottonelle or Viva paper towels. So the Cottonelle is included in the spend 20, get a $5 extra buck scenario. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 packages, either the 9 mega rolls that you see pictured here, or the 18 equals 36 double rolls. They are on sale $10.49 each. Even at Walmart, they run about 15 bucks. So right there, you're still having a good amount of savings. Total is $20.98 for the 2 of those. You're going to use that 5 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you guys clip that to your account as soon as possible so it doesn't disappear. If you have 2 of the 2 off 8 paper towel and toilet paper CRTs, you can use them because we're spending $20.98 and the total threshold we would have to hit is 16, so 8 times 2. So if you have both of those, you can use them. You would pay just $11.98, get back that $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $3.50 per pack. Definitely a hot deal on paper products. So if you guys are needing those, make sure you guys take advantage of this deal. Here is a super hot moneymaker that I'm very excited about. It's on the Listerine Ready tabs. So they're on sale, buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So it's on the 8-count tabs, and this offer is a limit of 1. You're going to pick up 2 of them at $3.99 each. You're going to use 2 $1 off 1 coupons from the 1110 Smart Source insert. If you guys don't have any of these coupons that I'm mentioning in these videos, you can always go to thecouponmarketplace.com or clip2save.com. That's spelled with a K. 2 is the number 2, and then save.com. That's where I go if I need to just buy a few multiples of different coupons without having to buy multiples of the entire newspaper, because that is $4. The coupon marketplace sells individually clipped coupons for 10 cents per coupon. So it's definitely a very low budget way to get these coupons to maximize your savings. You're spending 10 cents and you're getting $1 saving. So if you guys want to do any of these deals and you don't have those coupons, I highly recommend checking out one of those 2 websites. Those are the ones that I use personally. I also have a 2 off 6 Listerine CRT. I have a $1 off Listerine Ready Tabs CRT. And I have a $3 off 2, this is Listerine, that's supposed to be Listerine CRT. Yes, you can use all 3 because there's only $1 value CRT, the $2 off of $6, and we're spending $8. So I would only be able to use one of those dollar value CRTs. But all of these should work fine. Then you'll pay nothing out of pocket, zero out of pocket, and you'll get back a $4 extra buck. So it's free and a $4 moneymaker. So I'm really excited about that to share with you guys. So I have a couple scenarios like I promised you guys from my CVS ad preview video. I'm going to give you 3 scenarios, really hot scenarios. For the spend 30, you get a $10 extra buck. So the first one is a moneymaker, and L'Oreal is a really nice product. I've used the Age Perfect before and I absolutely love it. A lot more than the Garnier version. So this deal, what you're going to do is pick up one of the L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizers. They're $19.49. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Ideal Cleansing, shown here in the bottom right. They're $5.49 each at my store. Total is $30.47. Make sure you check your math. If any of the pricing is different, make sure you're at $30 or at least I think it's like $29.66. Whatever 98% of that would be if your store follows the 98% rule. But if the prices are the exact same like you're seeing here, your total is $30.47. So that hits that threshold perfect. You're going to use 3 of the $2 off coupons from the 12/8 Smart Source or coupons.com. There was a digital as well. If you haven't used it already, you may still have it. Just check your accounts. Make sure you clip it. Then you're going to use a $7 Age Perfect CRT. We're getting a $3 instant coupon, so everyone is getting that when you scan your extra care card. Then if you have a 6 off 25 L'Oreal Facial Care CRT or a 5 off 25 Facial Care CRT, you want to make sure that you pair that. You can only pair one. You would pay $5.47, get back a $10 extra buck. Final cost is free plus a $4.53 moneymaker. So I'm super excited about that. That's a really good value for you guys, and it's a really good product. So that is scenario number 1 if you guys want some good facial moisturizers. Scenario 2 is some more laundry care for you guys, and this includes the large Tide, the 92 to 100 ounce Tide liquid. So I'm super excited about that. So this scenario, you're going to pick up one of those. They're on sale $11.94. You're going to pick up one of the Tide Pods. They're the 14 to 16 count. They're $4.94. You're going to pick up 3 of the large Pantenes. Make sure you're watching. The smaller Pantenes are on sale 3 for $12. The larger bottle Pantenes are on sale 3 for $15. So you have to pick up the larger ones or you will not hit that $30 threshold to be able to get this deal. So the total of these 5 products is $31.88. You're going to use a $3 digital for the Tide liquid, which is awesome. Currently, we've been having $1, $2 low value coupons, so that is a very good coupon. Make sure you guys clip that to your card. It will be in some P&G inserts. My region does not get those. Again, you can try to purchase them on the coupon marketplace or clip2save.com. You're going to use a $2 digital for Tide Pods, a $5 off 3 digital, or again from the P&G insert for the Pantene. You're going to use a 3 off 12 hair care CRT, or if you have a 3 off 15 Pantene CRT, you can use that. You're going to use a 3 off 12 laundry CRT. You would pay $15.88 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra buck. So final cost is just $1.17 each, because you're spending, the final cost is $5.88 for 5 items. Super, super hot deal, because these are the really large Pantenes, and you're getting 100 ounces of the Tide. It's not the small one. So this is probably the deal that I'm going to be doing. Need to stock up. My stockpile is completely empty of laundry care. I've sold all of it, so I need to make sure that I stock back up for the new year. So this is the deal that I'm probably going to be doing. The last one is for Pampers. I wanted to give you guys a nice diaper scenario. So this one, of course, you guys can mix and match whatever you guys need for your family. If you want to replace the Tide liquid in this scenario with something else, you could do the 3 Pantene for $12. Use those 5 off 3 digital coupon, whatever you'd like to do. Make sure you guys mix and match it based on what your family needs. This scenario, you're going to pick up 2 of the Pampers for $20. And 1 of the large Tide liquids, again for $11.49. Total is going to come to $31.49. You're going to use a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Pampers. There will be one in the P&G insert as well. The $3 digital for the Tide liquid. 3 off 12 laundry CRT should work because the laundry we're spending is $11.49. $3 off 15 baby care CRT because we're spending $20 in Pampers. If you have a $4 Pampers CRT like I do, make sure you guys pair that as well. You'd pay just $15.79, get back a $10 extra buck. Final cost is $1.93 each. Super, super hot deal. Pampers and diapers are super expensive, and you're going to be getting them for under $2 each. Without that $4 Pampers CRT, it was the first time I've gotten one of those, so in case you guys don't have that, you'd pay about $3.16 per item. Still not a bad deal. So if you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know what deals and scenarios you guys plan on taking advantage of next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.